When making a campaign on Facebook ads, sometimes there is a need to exclude specific locations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So to begin with, we need to add a city or state or country that's going to be kind of like the green area where we're going to be showing our ads, and then out of this big region we're going to be subtracting specific regions that are not going to see our ads. So I'm gonna select San Francisco as the city here. So now, as you can see, everyone within this range is gonna be seeing our ads. And then we're gonna add, let's say, Oakland here. And let's say we want to not show the ads to everyone who is in Auckland or within 10 miles range of this city. I'm gonna hit this kind of space here. It's actually a button, and you can see we can select exclude instead of include here. We click on exclude, and now we just type Auckland. Just type Auckland, select the city, and then that's not the right Auckland. We need the Auckland, California. Yeah, and now I just changed the range to 10 miles. Yeah, and you can see, so the blue circle is the area where people are gonna be seeing our ads, and then this red circle is where the ads is not gonna be shown. We can add a few locations here. So let's say we want to exclude this part with San Ramen and everything around. So we're gonna select Pleasanton. Let me select this city. Yeah, we select it, and then we also change our range to something like 15 miles or something like that. And yeah, so as you can see, now San Ramon in the Castro Valley, everything here is not gonna be shown to those regions and cities. So yeah, this is how it works. Another option how we could do that, so let's say we added let's say Novato here with the inclusion option. So we can also change, if we want to change this like blue circle to the red one, what we need to do is to kind of hover this white rectangle, and then click on this button, and then click on exclude location. And now we have the same control over it. We can change the range. We can also select current city only, so it's not going to be the range, only the city itself. And sometimes you don't want to select a specific city, or there is no city like here and we want to exclude this part, let's say. What we can do is just use this drop pin button. So if include is selected, then it's going to be dropping a pin that's going to be adding the area to our blue area selected already. And then if it's an exclude option, then it's going to do the opposite. So let me show you. We just click on drop pin. We drop a pin, let's see here. Yeah, and now you can see there is another circle. It's called with the coordinates of this point. But yeah, as you can see now, like a few other places are added to our location territory. And we can also change it to exclude location option, and we can also change the rate. Everything is the same. And actually, an advantage of this drop pin option is that the range is actually from 1 mile up to 50 miles. And for a city, it only goes from 10 to 50. So if you want to select something really specific, maybe like a district or something like that, I would recommend using this drop pin button and this option, because it's basically more precise. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe and drop a comment below. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to assist you, and see you in the next one.